So having a low or even average credit score can end up costing you thousands or tens of thousands of dollars throughout the course of your life through having to deal with higher interest rates on the loans that you borrow, from your auto loan to your mortgage to credit cards. It can really tend to add up over time. But if you've got a low credit score, how do you actually go about fixing that? Well, Lexington Law is a company that promises you a solution to do just that. But how effective is it, and how does this company actually work? That's exactly what we're going to be diving into in this video right now. Now, if at any point you want to check out Lexington Law and support the channel, we've got a link in the description and pinned comment below that will allow you to do just that. But without further ado, let's dive right on into it. So starting off, what actually is Lexington Law? Well, Lexington Law is what is called a credit repair company, and they act as an advocate for their client. This means they work to help their clients understand what is impacting their credit, how they can improve it, and then actually taking the actions to improve their client's credit. The company works with the three main credit bureaus of Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion to remove incorrect or unfair statements on their credit reports. Since they launched in 2004, Lexington Law has amassed over 1 million clients and has built up quite a name for themselves in the credit repair space. During that time, they've helped their clients remove over 70 million incorrect or unfair statements from their credit reports. And in 2020 alone, they got over 7 million items removed from their clients' credit reports. Now, they're also one of the few credit repair companies that comes with a mobile app, and it's actually a very highly rated mobile app. They're currently sitting at about 4.8 stars with 46,000 reviews, which speak to the quality of service that you will be likely to receive with Lexington Law. So now that you understand what the service is, how much does it actually cost? Because this is not a free service that Lexington Law is providing. You do have to pay for these credit repair services. And in general, credit repair services aren't going to be the cheapest, but like we mentioned at the beginning, these can have a huge impact on your finances over the course of your life. So it could be a worthwhile investment depending on your particular situation. Now, Lexington Law has 3 different tiers that you can choose from when signing up for an account with them. Let's break those down one by one. The first tier is going to be the standard tier, and it's going to come at a price point of $89.95 per month. With the standard plan, you're going to receive bureau challenges and creditor interventions. This means that they're going to be going to bat for you in getting those incorrect and unfair marks removed from your credit report. Now, the next tier is going to be the premier tier, which is going to come in at a price point of $109.95 per month. With this plan, you're going to get a couple more bells and whistles beyond just the bureau challenges and the creditor intervention. This plan includes inquiry assist, credit score analysis, their report watch service, which kind of monitors your credit report for you, and TransUnion alerts to let you know anytime there is a change on your TransUnion report. Now, the final tier of Premier Plus comes in at a price point of $129.95 per year. And in addition to all of the features on the Premier plan, you'll also be getting access to cease and desist letters that Lexington Law will send out to various creditors, a FICO score tracker, ongoing identity protection services, and a number of personal finance tools that will help you just improve your financial situation overall. So based on your needs and particular situation, you'll be able to decide which of those plans is going to make the most sense for you. Now, how does Lexington Law actually help your credit score? Well, signing up with this company provides you access to a personalized dashboard where you can monitor your credit score, see the different factors affecting it, and see the different opportunity areas that Lexington Law could take advantage of for you. Then from there, Lexington Law takes a simple 4-step approach to improving your credit score. The first step is a credit report analysis. So when you first sign up for Lexington Law, they're going to pull your credit reports from the 3 major bureaus. Then they're going to compile all of that information into an easily readable report that you can then look at and quickly see what is going on and where those opportunity areas are. Then they're going to move into step 2, which is credit disputing. Once they've got that report put together, they're going to begin the process of contacting the credit bureaus and disputing the various items that are on that report. This is going to be a team effort because they're going to be working with you to determine which items are unfair and which they have the potential to get removed. Once they have all the info they need from you, then they get to work on your behalf to get those items removed. Then they move on to step 3, which is dispute escalating. Once the disputes and challenges are submitted, they're going to continue to monitor for any updates and changes that occur on your credit report. If an escalation is needed, they're going to do that on your behalf. Then once that's all done, they're going to move on to step 4, which is credit score analysis and mentoring. This happens within the app or desktop version. You're able to monitor your score and get different insights on what is actually going on all of your different credit reports. Then once you've reached the credit score that you're aiming for, you can cancel your subscription to Lexington Law at any point without any penalties with a simple phone call. Now, in addition to going to bat for you to get things removed from your credit report, Lexington Law also offers a number of educational resources that help you figure out how your credit score actually works and the things that you can be doing to improve it as well. This includes their blog with a number of different articles about credit and credit score improvement, as well as a number of different calculators that you can use as a client that will help you figure out the different things that you can do to improve your score. So putting things all together here, what is our final verdict on Lexington Law? Well, while it's not a cheap service by any stretch of the imagination, it can be a very worthwhile investment for you to improve your credit score because, like we said at the top, it can cost you thousands or tens of thousands of dollars throughout the course of your life if you have a poor credit score. So spending a couple $100s to improve it now could be a worthwhile use of money. But it's really going to depend on your personal situation. And if you want to learn more about the service, we've got links in the pinned comment and description below that you can check out, as well as a comprehensive written review on our website, investingsimple.com, which you can find by heading over to Google, searching for Lexington Law Review, and then clicking on the link for investingsimple.com. We'll see you over there.